I'm so excited to show you Monday morning fabrics. The pattern of the month is Giorgio's top. And we've got some new patterns, 225 and 825, that are knits. So knits are going to be something that are going to just be a lot of fun, especially these current. These are all viscose. These are all $14.99 today and tomorrow. They're just so pretty. Love this. We can see it with a brown pair of slacks or tan pair of slacks. You could even go black with it. I put black in here just because of what this one that we got in and what y'all have asked for. But anyway, this is 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. It's just so pretty. It's really just lovely. The drape is gorgeous. Then I put in some specialty, again, where these used to be ITYs. These are all viscose now, so it's a great time to upgrade your kind of your stash, your wardrobe, you know, whichever. These are so pretty. So this is a yard between their panel prints is really what they are. The leopard that leopard border goes, you get one leopard border in a yard. And so you can see it's fun to put down the center, across the bottom. There's several garments I'm going to show you that have used this that are really, it's really fun. All right, so that's the border, and that has stretch in both directions. This black is incredible. It's like a pontoroma. It's 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions. It's beautiful. It's just absolutely beautiful. $14.99. It's just steel. Absolutely love this print. Prints are one that you either love or you don't. I love this print. I love the colors. I love everything about it. It is viscose. It is stretch in both directions. And it's just beautiful. Like a little Giorgio's top out of this, I think would be fabulous. You'd wear it all the time. This is 100% cotton. It's a clean white. It has stretch in both directions. And I put that in so you could see how nicely it goes with some of these. And then this last one is a panel also. You can see that it has the wider stripe, and then it goes narrow. So it's one panel. One panel is 1 yard. Again, I love this. You know, I guess it's just with prints, you either love them or you don't. It has stretch in both directions. It's viscose. So they're just beautiful. At $14.99, they're just giveaways. So the goal, of course, is to have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.